I'll just annotate it while ano, no? So you are Xavier University psychology students.
Yes.
Freshman, sophomore,
Junior.
junior year. So you're graduating in another 2 years. Tama? Okay. I asked you who Daniel Kahneman is. No one knows the answer.
You don't remember encountering
His name. Okay. What if I tell you he's a Nobel Prize winner? Oh, so maybe have you heard of the term thinking fast and slow?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet. Okay. So this cell phone now is not connected to the internet, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you type Abad Pro, ABADPRO.
AVAD.
So that's the app. Okay, it will take 1 minute to start the app. Okay. So Abad Pro, press enter. In return.
Oh, this po.
Okay? So walang internet connectivity, we will ask the cell phone. This is a 5-year-old cell phone. So this is not a modern cell phone. Okay? Who Daniel Kahneman is. Okay? And so Daniel, so when you see the greater than prompt, you see it na? So you type, who is Daniel Kahneman? Daniel, D-A-N-I-E-L. Kahneman is K-A-H-N-E-M-A-N. He's a Nobel Prize winner.
This one po.
Kahneman, M-A-N. Okay? Hit return. Wait 40 seconds, it will give you an answer. So I want you to read the answer. Kung tama siya. So this is not like your Google search. This is what you call a foundational language model. Have you heard of the term foundational language model? Okay, so this becomes, by the time you graduate, you will know what large language models are and foundational language models. And this is an example. So may sagot na siya?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wala siyang internet, may sagot siya. Would you want to read the sagot?
Yes. So, Daniel Kahneman, Hebrew of his name, born in 1934, is an Israeli-American psychologist and Nobel
Psychologist.
laureate who has made important contributions to the fields of decision-making, rational choice theory, cognitive biases, behavioral economics, and social psychology. He was awarded a share with Amos Tversky of the 2002 on the empirical foundation and conceptual clarity he brought to the field. Kahneman is currently Professor Emeritus of Psychology at Princeton University, where he was previously the William Donald Cooper Professor of Psychological Sciences. He has also taught at Harvard University and Stanford University.
Okay, so how would you rate the answer that the offline chat GPT gave you? Is it substantive? Is it comprehensive? Is it mababaw? Is it kulang?
It's informative.
Informative. So you achieve,
Yes.
okay, knowledge even without an internet connection. Sa bahay niyo ba malakas ang internet?
Depende.
Depende. Kung wala nag-YouTube. Diba? O nagti-TikTok. But let's say, since Ateneo kayo, tawag ba nyo man for others? Kasama?
Yeah.
Sa man for others. Yung mga nasa depressed areas, yung mga nasa informal settlers. Obviously, walang internet. Okay. They can still gather information even without internet connectivity. So how cool is that?
Very
Okay. So question, how much is one semester of tuition right now?
40,000.
41 cents, so 80,000 a year.
Yeah.
Okay, when I graduated, okay, de Manila. Okay? One sem, guess how much it was? One semester, this is 1981.
1981.
81. Di pa kayo pinapanganak. Pa kayo nanay, tatay nyo, hindi pa pinapanganak. For one semester 2,400. So it's 5,000 for an entire year in 1981. Okay? So you're lucky you can afford Ateneo tuition. What about 99% of the Filipinos? So might this app be helpful for more Filipinos?
Yes.
Do you have an org sa site?
Yes.
Ano yung org nyo?
Xavier University Psychology Society.
Psychology. What's the total membership?
It's close to 100.
100, all levels, freshman to senior. So do you want this to be a project of your psychology? Kasi I don't treat this thing as technology. The only thing I did here was there's a app from Stanford, okay, that was meant for the PC and for the laptop. So I hacked it so it can run on an Android phone. And it works without internet connectivity. You're all smiling, but you're parang in disbelief, or
Actually, naami ko under Google Developers Club.
you have a developers club. Okay.
And
Are you a member?
No,
No.
but I've heard about it. They won awards for their projects.
Yeah, but the problem is, okay, if you treat it as a IT project, iba yung direction niya. It's more the technology. I view this thing as behavioral, more the psychology. Because it's not about the technology anymore. Once the technology is installed in your phone, it's how you use it already. Di ba? So, iba yung mindset ng IT developer or programmer. Iba yung mindset na kailangan for somebody that wants to learn. Okay? But you have to change your behavior. Okay? And you have to do it in a community basis. Di ba? Sa IT ay wag mo kopyan, ako nag-develop niyan, so akin lang yan, bawal-bawal dyan, di ba? The sharing is totally different. Okay? So anyway, can I ask you one or two phrases as a reaction to what you've witnessed today?